Hey guys, we are going bowling. Hey guys, today we are going bowling with my mom over there, my brother on the cam, and Ninang and Aaron. Kuya.
And who's the driver?
Ninang Lala over there, and Ninang Mikao on the passenger on the other seat.
Who else?
And me.
And the spider. Where's the spider?
It's
Who's
gone.
in the other car?
How about
Probably because it probably went flying.
who else? Who else is in the other car?
Mommy Joe over there.
The driver.
The driver is Mommy Joe, which she's my aunt, and
Who's with her?
my cousin is Rigel, Raika, and Rafa. And Tyler? And that's probably everyone, I think.
Say, we'll update you when we get there.
We'll update you when we get there. See ya. See ya. We're here and we're going to the bowling alley. May take a while. So here's the crew. Guys! Right! I forgot that Mama Angel is coming here.
Okay. Say goodbye muna.
Alright.
We're gonna go inside the pool.
Alright. I'll see you guys later. We're going inside now. See ya. And now we're here at the bowling alley, and it's kind of loud. So I had to speak in this tone. So and Ninang Lily is here.
Alright, we did the game. And it was pretty fun entirely. And we had a lot of points. Alright, coming. So yeah, we're gonna go eat dinner. So, update Justin.
Paano inumin?
Bingot.
Birthday, happy birthday.
Let's go! Happy birthday, Rafa! Right? Picture.
Ikaw lang mag-ayos pa ako. Ayan, okay lang. Okay. Ha? Ang birthday wish ko kay Rafa, lumaki siyang healthy, mabait, at mapagbigay, at laging makajos. Yun na, anak. I love you. Oh, it's okay. Rafa, happy birthday. Sana lumaki kang mabait and... Ay, wait lang, may asawa ko. Asawa ko, ikaw. Magbe-birthday wish daw tayo kay Rafa. Babe, balik ka na. Birthday wish lang, para for tips lang to ni Rafa, para makilala ka niya in the future. Halika, ako na magsasalita. Magpakit ka lang dito. Ito nga pala yung e-bike ng tito mo. Dali, go! Rafa, happy birthday! Sana lumaki kang mabait and masunurin sa parents mo. Okay, ikaw naman, babe. Sabi mo, God bless.
God bless. God bless America.
Mag-aral kang mabuti. Love you.
Birthday wish kay Rafa.
Sana lumaki siyang may takot sa Diyos yun. Give up the good work.
What's your birthday wish for Rafa? To let her have good grades and let her dreams come true.
Okay, thanks.
Happy birthday, Rafa. Aasarin pa rin kita.
Ayun lang!
Alam, maging mabait ka na sa akin.
Interviewin mo yung mga bagets.
Ano sasabihin ko? Masarap ba yan? Ano?
Hindi naman, ibibigay tsaka mabibigay sa kanila after na magsalita.
Okay. Masarap ba yan? Ano o? Sagot.
Yes.
Ano?
Yes.
Rated 1 out of 10.
10.
Kami na! Kami na ba?
Masarap ba yung pagkain?
Di pa ako nakakakain, girl.
Masarap ba yan, Scarlett?
Apo.
Ano yung paborito mo dyan? Yung kanin?
Nike na yung gagalit naman ng...
Yung birthday girl.
Ano?
Masarap ba yan?
Oo.
Okay.
Nandito yung kanina.
Ikaw isang kambal.
Magkain mo na.
Masarap, parang ML.
Ano daw?
Masarap parang ML.
Ikaw, Rigel.
Siyempre, masarap.
Bakit manok lang kinakain mo? Walang shrimp.
Ayaw magbalat eh.
Ay, tamad. Claire, masarap yan. Masarap.
Yes.
Belly.
Ikaw, Belly.
Matanda.
Masarap ba yan? Sabi mo, oh. Hindi mo.
Totoo.
Ikaw, Kylo. How are you?
Good.
Ay, good.
Yung nanak. Lipat-lipat mo lang siya, anak.
On here. Saan? Dito?
Okay.
One more. Ay, di na siya dapat.
Ay, isa pa.
Isa pa. Go, Belly. Another one.
Alam ko nga, pag tumama ka ate, isa pa.
Saan?
No.
Saan? Dito? Galing ni Belly! Another one, Belly. Belly, another one.
Okay.
Okay, mali. Next. Put it. Okay. No. Put it back.
Okay, next.
Next. Ate Biden.
Pinakaulit ka na.
Yes, get it. Get the money.
Di ba makikita niya?
Yan. Ulitin ko na. Ano ba yan? Go. Another one.
Belly ka.
Oh, napali na. Mali, oh. Oh, go next.
Tingnan mo kasi. Hindi mo mali.
Mali. Oh, game. Bravo. Go.
Bakit tapos sige? Ayaw.
Go. Oh.
Pinagdaling mo na mo.
Sunset pa. I'll give another one. Oh, go. Okay na. Oh, yung mga nanalo, mamaya na ulit.
Teka mo
Okay. Di ba si ano?
Scarlett na.
Ikaw na daw.
Walang bibigyan na? Dito kasi tayo sa saan dyan? The third one? The third one? Yeah. Oh, get it. Very good. Okay. Yeah! Get it, Tisan.
Okay, my friend.
Wait, Kyle, you're here? Or you're
Yes! Galing, galing.
Tapos?
Mali. Pulis na. Okay, sige, go.
All message kay Rafa. Mag-ano ka?
Happy birthday, ang sarap ng handa.
Next message for Rafa.
Happy birthday, ang sarap ng SMR ni Warren.
Message.
Happy birthday, ang sarap ng ASMR ni Tyler.
Ay, ako na tayo sa siya. Your turn. Hello. Nangira ng speaker. Nangira kayo ng speaker.
Angel! Angel! Message kay... Happy birthday, Rafa! Sana maging good girl ka palagi. Happy birthday, Rafa! Yun lang. I love you. Happy birthday, Rafa! Hello? Si Kuya Henry.
Bro, show you?
Si Kuya Henry.
Bro,
Si ano, si lahat.
bro.
Si ano, si... Sino nga ulit yun? Si Sheena. Ano nga?
What would you like to say to your mom?
What?
To your mom. Thank you.
Thank you for the food.
That's it?
No, thank you everything. Thank you
For taking
taking care of me and buying me food.
That's it?
No, dalawa naman. Hello. Hi, ma'am. How old are you? 11, char 10. How
Sound like someone.
when is your birthday? August 17. Ikaw naman. How old are you?
Okay, hold it.
10 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. 11. How old is you? Secret. No, I know. 26. Ay!
27 sila.
9. Okay, I'm 60 years old. Walang tinanong.
Guess what I'm trying to say, right?
I'm gonna ask me.
Pinge.
Hello. Hello. How old are you?
18. Why?
You're married. You're 18.
Yeah. Why? 18 can't be married?
nga 69. How old are you?
27.
27? I thought she was 32.
Okay, next.
11 seconds for you,
Okay. Rose. You want the prize? Or else you're trying to don't do it. You do it.
I'm gonna go after you.
Alright. 11 seconds for me. Happy. Wala. 10 seconds.
Pag hindi nasayaw, hindi ano. Ayan na yung chorus eh. Hey! Hey! Go, O, interviewin mo eh. Walang gaga. Magaling!
Si Baby, umalaw na.
Saling ket-ket lang yan. Ba't nasa gilid naman kasi kayo dyan?
Wala dapat nakadikit sa ni ano. Dapat sa'yo. Tingnan na. Everybody! Go!
Pakita mo kasi kung paano.
Magaling sa pisado. Pag walang energy, 20 steps ka. Kuya. Lumakad ka, meron ka 100.
Yeah!
Ay, bibigyan ka 150. Ano na nabisado yung sayaw?
Bias niya si...
Pawis, paano yun?
Bias niya si Maloy.
Go na.
Pakita mo kasi sayaw.
Gusto dapat maganda kasi yung sayaw eh. Kaya sili na alam mo course na. Pagaling na lang. Pagaling na lang. 100 pesos.
Hey!
Pagaling na lang. Pagaling na lang. I-course mo lang na. Pagaling na lang. Pagaling na lang. Chorus ha, chorus.
Baka may iba na asong kanya.
Kapal na kasi kay Go!
Go! Go! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Go! Go! Go!
Wow! Go! Go! Ayan siya mag...
Yun na yun?
Ganda na sayaw! Galing mo kay Go! Galing mo mo! Different steps!
Different step, ganyan.
Like this!
Wow!
Oh!
Wow! Wow!
Okay, parang ano, something lang ang ano, energy nyo. Okay, lahat may prize sa akin.
Okay.
Sayaw muna! Sayaw muna.
Kailangan mo hindi balik sa salita. Sumasayaw. Okay, the boss is singing. Kuya, wag ka.
Sabay-sabay.
One.